Archana, Cultural Coordinator, Elliot. Here in our college, we are very delighted to inform that we organize number of activities and give a chance for students to showcase their talents. We organize various competitions like singing, drawing, painting, pencil sketch, dancing in various categories like classical, folk, etc. We also provide students to showcase their enthusiasm by performing many student engagement activities like flash mobs, not only in our campus but also all the campuses around the Vijayawada. And also we always encourage our students to participate in many cultural competitions around Vijayawada, and we are very much esteemed to inform that many of our students are very well known in Vijayawada for their dance performances. Many medals have also been achieved by students of our college, and we finally organize a cultural event, mega cultural event called Ventura, and where all the prize winners of all the cultural competitions get their prizes. We are very much honored to be a part of this institution cultural committee. Thank you.